This episode I've got something that we all recognize. It's a remote control, and a remote control is not working anymore. So what to do? Well, first thing, I took it apart. There was one screw here, and it was with plastic clips, so I had to go in with the screwdriver and then I could open it. So easy peasy. So there are basically a couple of things that I want to do. First, replace the batteries because it was almost empty, and then basic cleaning. Actually, these little push buttons here, they pop out. They're, you know, like when you press this pops out a little bit, and this little black thingy here, that's actually conducting a little bit, and when it pops out, when you press the button, it pops out, and it makes connection on these two thingies here. You can see it's like not connected here, but when you press it, and this little black thing pops up and connects the two, and then the chip knows what to do and flashes out the appropriate infrared Morse code kind of signal through these infrared LEDs. So what I did is actually use a little bit of alcohol, dip it in, and then just clean this, everything, and also these contact pads here, just clean them with a little bit of alcohol. Make sure it's all nice and dry again. And then also what I was looking for, this was kind of rusted, so with a little bit of sandpaper I was able to clean it and to get the rust off. And also there's a capacitor in here, and as you might remember from my capacitor replacement tutorial, where I said, well, the capacitor is probably the first thing to die in a device. So this looks like a kind of crappy capacitor, and so I'm just going to replace it. It's a 22 microfarad, yeah, 16 volts. So I will just replace that with a proper one, with a high quality capacitor, so it can go at least for another 10 years. And I will just do that and then put the whole thing together and see if it works. Okay, so I cleaned everything out. I replaced the capacitor by a high quality one, and I will just put the whole thing together. And oh yeah, this was also really dirty. This was the infrared see-through glass plastic, and it was really dirty on the inside, so I cleaned that out as well. And I'll put it together and see if it works, and I will first try with the old batteries to see if actually it works with the old batteries. Okay, so I put it back together. I put back in the old batteries because they weren't dead quite yet, so and let's see. What I do now is I'm looking with the camera into the remote and see if I can detect something. Yes. The cool thing is our eye cannot see the infrared stuff, but some cameras, especially some cheaper cameras, they can actually see the flashing. So this is good because it wasn't doing that before. So I think I fixed it. So let's check it out. So here we are. Here's the radio and here's the remote, and let's see if it works. Ah, wrong button. Ah, phew! Yeah, that works. And let's see if let's put the volume down. Yeah, that works. I can even point the other direction. You can see the thing flashing there. And via the white wall and ceiling, and the signal still comes in. So yeah. And let's turn it off again. Bye bye. It works! And that's how you fix a remote control.